Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Law Cannon. Welcome back to my channel, and today we will be doing jerk egg rolls. For these egg rolls, you will need green onions, chicken breast, egg roll wraps, lime juice, preferred jerk seasoning, coleslaw, and also some fresh ginger and soy sauce. For this recipe, let's start off with your chicken breasts. Make sure they are washed. I have chicken breast strips just to make it easier. So we're going to start off adding your dry jerk seasoning of choice. I'm using the JCS Boston Dry Jerk. And when you season chicken with jerk, you have to make sure all the chicken breasts are properly coated and everything is well seasoned. Now add your wet jerk seasoning. Some people use Walker's Wood. I prefer Uncle Joe's. Next, add your lime juice. And after you add your lime juice, make sure you thoroughly mix this chicken. Make sure every single piece is well coated with this marinade. Now get you a baking dish and line this baking dish up with 2 foil sheets. We're going to place our chicken on top of this, and with your oven already preheated to 375, we're going to bake these chicken breasts until they are nice and tender for about, I say about 35 to 45 minutes. Now, after you take those out, take each one of these breasts individually and you can shred them with 2 forks. Or you can use a blender or a food processor, but I think it's easier just to do 2 forks. Everybody doesn't have all of those utensils at home, so I know everybody got 2 forks in their drawer. So shred all this chicken up. Now take a tablespoon of olive oil and let's pour in our cabbage and our green onions. Now cook these until they are nice and tender, and you can start to add your black pepper. You're going to next add your soy sauce. Now your veggies are pretty much done. Set them aside and let's begin to start rolling our egg rolls. Okay, time for the main part. So what you're gonna need to do is take your surface that you are rolling your egg rolls in and lightly flour it, or some people add cornstarch. I added flour so my egg rolls do not stick to my surface. And from here, basically all you're doing is following the simple instructions on the back of the egg roll package. You're just taking your chicken, taking your cabbage, and rolling it up just like they say on the instructions. You're gonna roll until you have no more ingredients to roll. Now take those egg rolls, drop those in a nice deep pot of oil and fry until those boys are nice and golden brown. I take these nice golden egg rolls, place them on napkins so they are drained of all grease, and you are pretty much done. Now you can garnish with parsley, cut them in half, make them look very nice. These are a really good appetizer or just a good dish to impress some people when they come over. But thank you guys so much for watching. Continue to subscribe, share, and follow me on all social media. Thank you guys so much.